Hi everyone, Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's tutorial video is one that you're probably going to want to watch because it is going to be about Microsoft 365 and the top 5 time-saving shortcuts you should be using. So we're going to look at how we can work smarter and be more efficient inside of these different products. Our first shortcut is going to be in Outlook with pasting and formatting. Second one is going to be in Word, looking at different formatting shortcuts. Our third one is going to be in Teams and looking at how we can get the command box to pop up. Our fourth shortcut is a handy one for today's date. And our last one is in PowerPoint, and it's one of my most favorite shortcuts to use in PowerPoint, dealing with duplicating. Let's go ahead and get started inside of Outlook. First shortcut is going to be Control-Shift-V. This is when you are copying something from a website or another document and formatting changes. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like when I just do Control-V. So Control-V, it looks like this. We've got this bold here. This is not my font. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. And if I hold down Control-Shift-V, it is in the font that I'm always using inside of my email, keeping it nice and formatted, and I don't have to do anything after I paste it in there. Shortcut 2 finds us inside of a Word document, and this one is dealing with types of headings and styles. If I want to change the heading, I can select here and I could click on heading here or heading 2. I'm going to show you a shortcut you can use. If you hold down Control-Alt-1, it keeps it as heading 1. Control-Alt-2 changes it to heading 2. Repeat, Control-Alt-3 takes you to heading 3, and so on. Why are headings so important? That's what Word uses when it creates a table of contents. No more having to click up there. We can use our Control-Alt, whatever number we need to change our headings. Our third shortcut is in Teams, where I spend most of my days, so shortcuts in here are a great advantage to have. If you do Control//, this opens up the search bar where you can change your availability or send a quick chat or put on Do Not Disturb just by clicking that instead of going and making other clicks in other parts of Teams. Another little hidden secret about shortcuts in Teams, if you go over here next to your profile picture, the settings option, and you click there, if you go a little down the drop-down menu, you're going to see keyboard shortcuts, and it brings up a whole list of keyboard shortcuts for Teams. Our fourth shortcut is in Excel, which is another place that I spend a lot of my time because I teach a lot of Excel classes. And one that comes in very handy is our shortcut Control plus the semicolon. And that is going to give you today's date. So I'm going to click over here in B1 and do Control semicolon. And as you can see, it gives me 5/16/2025, which is the short date for today. I'll even throw in a freebie if you want to figure out the time for today. Control-Shift semicolon gives you the time of the day. Our fifth and final shortcut for today's video is inside of PowerPoint. And like I mentioned, it is my most favorite one. It is Control-D, which allows you to duplicate shapes, icons, text boxes, images. So with the shape selected, you're going to want to hold down Control-D, creates an entire duplicate. Also, the best thing about Control-D, it will remember the formatting and it will move it the same exact amount of space between the first two objects you chose. You could select all 3 of them and do Control-D and place them below and repeat the process. And within seconds, you have an entire array of rectangles that you can use. Not only does it work on shapes, it also works on slides. So with this slide in the thumbnail selected, I can hold down Control-D and duplicate as many as I would like. Time saving and efficient inside of PowerPoint.